welcome to a video tutorial by Waalbrug.com. My name is Jasper, also known as Testes. I hope to hit 100 subscribers when you watch this. I want to thank you all for subscribing. One day I'll hope to hit 1,000 subscribers. That happens, I will give away a free Testes refill with some fine patches and effects in there. If you have a question or a great idea for a tutorial, please let me know within the comments. In this tutorial on Reason 6 I'll show you how to set up a sidechain filter effect. It gives the sound a sidechain compression like sound, but the difference is that it will let the high frequencies pass through all the time and will cut out the low frequencies when the bass drum hits. If you want to know more about sidechain compression, please check out my tutorial about sidechain compression. You can find it by clicking the link in the upper right corner or check the description. This trick I used to set up within Ableton Live. It's an easy thing to do within Ableton, but unfortunately not that easy within Reason. I tried to find a way to sidechain the HiPass filter on the SSL mixer within Reason, but I couldn't find a way to get it working. So the effect will be an emulation of a real sidechain. This makes the effect a little less customizable than the way it's done within Ableton or basic sidechain compression. Let's make the effect. I got a bass drum going and a pad sound with lots of low end, so we can hear the effect when it takes place. Let's hear that. So that's it. We're going to put the effect on the pad sound. We're going to put the effect within a combinator. By doing so we can save the effect and recall it at any time we need it. So let's right click below the pad sound, hold the shift key, click other here, and then go to combinator. By holding the shift key the combinator will not connect. Within the combinator right click, go to instruments and create a Thor polyphonic synthesizer. And make sure it's initialized. If it's not, then right click and click initialize patch. Open it up and press the tab key. Let's hook it up. Put the output of the pad sound into the combinator input. Put the two devices into the audio in, the left, and the right into the audio in 2, like so. And the output of the Thor is going into the combinator, and then the output of the combinator is going into the mixer channel input, like so. I hope you got that. So the output of the pad goes into the combinator input, two devices go into the Thor, then the Thor goes back into the combinator from devices, and the output goes into the mixer. Press the tab key again. Let's call this sidechain filter FX. Okay, let's dive into the Thor. Let's remove the analog oscillator by putting it off. Let's remove the low pass filter by putting it on bypass. Let's put this one off. On filter 3 we create a state variable filter. We put the envelope amount down, the velocity amount down, the resolution down, the frequency amount all the way down, and we put it on high pass 12. Go to LFO2 and use the following settings. Put the tempo sig button on, put the rate on 1/4, like so, and put the waveform on waveform 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it, waveform 6. Let's dive into the matrix. The matrix is the world that has been pulled over your eyes to blind you from the truth. That's just a movie quote. I like that one. Click on the first source and select audio input 1. Let's go to audio input 1. So all the way down here, audio input 1. Set the amount to 100. And then select as destination filter 3. Filter 3 left in. Let's do the same for audio input 2. Put it on 100%. Make it filter 3 right in, so we still have the stereo signal coming through. Now for the final tweak, I like to see the knobs move when I put an LFO on it. That's where the combinator comes in handy. Press the tab key and flip the rack around. Let's hook up LFO2 to rotary 1. Let's leave the settings. Press the tab key again. Press the show programmer button. Click on the Thor here. Then go to rotary 1 as target select. Go to filter. Here, filters, and then filter free frequency. As you can see, the filter frequency is now pumping. Because the LFO is hooked to the rotary 1, the rotary 1 is hooked to the filter 3 frequency. So we can see it dancing here. And that's it for the sidechain filter effect. Let's hear how that sounds. Put this one on bypass. Let's start the song. Let's put it on. You can almost not notice it because the high end is still coming through. If I put off the bass drum, you can hear more prominent. Let's do that. You hear that? The low end is cut out on every beat. Let's bypass it. This was before. This is what it is now. With the beat. And there you go. This technique is a subtle one, but make sure you'll keep your low end from the bass drum. I hope you're going to make some wicked tracks with this technique. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out all my recent tutorials. Thanks for watching.